If you're still wondering how to claim the KOM holder and get verified on Gaux, please kindly to follow these steps. 1. Open the invitation to join Kommunitas Discord channel. 2. Click Verify Assets to identify your KOM V. 3. Click Verify Now to get the role. 4. Click on Connect Wallet, then click Verify Account. 5. Connect to your Discord account. 6. Check your Discord. If you successfully attain the KOM holder role, it will appear like this. 7. The role that you can claim in Kommunitas Discord channel. KOM holder is for those who own KOM tokens and stake them. Private partner is for those who stake more than 500,000 KOM tokens. Millionaire partner is for those who stake more than 10 million KOM tokens. 8. Note that you will automatically receive the KOM holder status even if you are a private partner or millionaire partner. 9. Return to Gaux and validate the task. Completion may require up to 1 minute. 10. Ensure that you have staked a minimum of 3,000 KOM in order to acquire KOM V. If you're still unsure about the process of acquiring KOM V, you can watch this instructional video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on all notification, leave a like, share, and comment what tutorial should we do next.